you. My name is Chief Swore Chappelle. I'm a Pigeon sports commentator, Africa's first Pigeon female sports commentator. And on the movie When Love Strikes, I get the privilege and grace to play myself as a Pigeon commentator, Swore Chappelle. Well, it's a cool movie that ties life with football and everything nice. You should watch it and check it out. Boko.
Hey guys, this is Chooks Joseph. I play the character Ibuka in the film When Love Strikes. It's an amazing film about love and football, and the football part is my favorite part because I love football. So playing football, making a film, having breaks and still playing football, it was just so much fun. You guys are going to see an amazing film, When Love Strikes, out in cinemas September the 13th, Friday. Keep a date with us. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Vine Olugu and I play Jason Okpara in the movie When Love Strikes. My role is very different from anything I've ever done before. He's very rash, yeah. His rash is also determined. He's someone who's from a very poor background. He doesn't get hand-me-downs, so he has to get what he wants. When he sees an opportunity, he's going hard for it. He doesn't care what you think, so that's my character. I think you should watch the movie because it's a great movie, honestly, and it's new. I haven't seen anything like this before in Hollywood, so it's like a breath of fresh air, honestly. My experience playing this, man, it was hard. I saw the script and first of all thought, this is a challenge. There was so much I went into doing this. I had to lose weight for this role. I went to Everton to go and buy a football just so I can practice my touch. I'm not even lying. There was a lot of messed up mistakes. Yeah, I broke my neighbor's window. If you're watching this, I'm so sorry. Yeah, and it was nice seeing it come out in real time. So I practiced a lot of free kicks. If I practiced 20 free kicks, 19 were a total fail. But seeing it in real life, like when I scored the one free kick, I was buzzing. Like I was so joyful. So yeah, like it was kind of like a reward to me, like gratification, and it was nice. It was a very strenuous experience as well because running back and forth the field is no easy feat, and it made me kind of respect footballers more. Like you stay at home, me and you stay at home and just think, oh, O2, why can't you score this, that. But it's actually not easy. It's not as easy as it say. So doing this movie, I feel like I've gotten more respect for footballers, to be honest. And yeah, it was fun but tough, but altogether worth it. You should definitely see the movie When Love Strikes.
Okay, I had an amazing experience working on this film, When Love Strikes. It actually was a story that was very dear to me when now central to me, includes the family. I read the first draft and I loved it already. And then when we got to pre-production and filming it, it just grew more exciting. I mean, the story just unraveled. It's a story of love, a story of passion, drive, push, and fighting to hit your mark. And so I think it's a story everyone will be excited to see, and I'm very proud of it.
Hey guys, this is Chooks Joseph. I'm an actor. Subscribe to Niger Limelight. Thank you.
Boko to you. My name is Chief Swore Chappelle, and I'm going to tell you this. I'm Africa's first female Pigeon commentator when it comes to sports. And guess what? Keep watching Niger Limelight TV. Now, so the matter be. Boko.